Sending data. Let's see here. I don't even know if this is working, to be honest with you. Let's check and see if we're popping up on the timeline. Oh, what do you know? We are. Yeah. Alright, so just sold half my position on this. Obviously, like, if you don't know, shorting BNB is a shiesty trade to take. Like, that's like being kind of modest. We know how this goes most of the time. Liquidation points keep getting moved, mile markers keep getting moved. Honestly, never meant to put fucking 50x on this short, which is hilarious, but I just let it ride. I would like to see more downside. If we look here on like the weekly, I at least want to see us come back down to 235.6, and then if we measure out here, probably 50% of this other weekly would be 222.6. That'd be nice. What we really are looking for, though, is this, which I don't know if we'll get. We've been wanting this for a long time. I don't think this is the FTT moment. I was just looking up the, it's not like officiated or anything yet, but a lot of people are sharing what the potential like plea agreement for CZ is, and it's pretty fucking mild, to be honest with you. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, who's this guy? This guy is a commercial litigator. Okay, so how does he have this? Okay, from government's memorandum regarding plea agreement from Binance. Reliable sources, okay. So basically, he gets fined, no involvement with Binance, not forever, only 3 years. He appoints an independent compliance monitor for 3 years. Binance itself is sued and fined for a total of 1.8 billion, which is, definitely not the initial agreed upon. I don't know how they talked him down on that. Then it'll be paid over 15 months. 2.51 billion for sanctions, and no public statements are allowed. So not exactly what we were looking for, in terms of, I don't know, jail time, Binance going down. They are pretty much like FTX 2.0 on steroids, smoking crack. With Justin Sun, USDT, the whole 9 yards, not fucking Alex Jones conspiracy shit, man. It's just, the evidence is there, the data's there. People just don't want to like acknowledge it because it'll fuck your bags up. Yeah, I mean, fuck my bags up too for a little while, but I think it's like has to happen in order for crypto to stop being so heavily manipulated, and like move on to like a free market economy where it's in price discovery and it can become more legitimized, and we stop having people just like print stable coins out of thin fucking air and pump their own like shit coin on their platforms, bro, like, and control the majority of the liquidity in the entire fucking market. It's just, I mean, if you're that selfish about your bags that you think that that's okay, you're fucked up. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna get this cascade. We probably could get some more downside. That would be ideal. I wish I hadn't accidentally entered on 50, because then I could just let this thing run. If we revisit the lows, that'd be cool. In the weekly, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. I mean, SEC really did come out today and just they timed it so perfect, right? You know what I mean? Like crazy. I can't even really explain the series of events the past like 4 days. It's been nonstop craziness between OpenAI, the Argentinian president, now Binance. It's fucking crazy, man. Tell you, simulation speeding up. All right. So, what a fucking wick, bro. Yeah, we broke under this. That's nice. If we can revisit at least 237, I'd probably get out just because it's fucking 50x, bro. You don't. I just let it go for lulz, like for the fun of it, but don't ever use high leverage like this, bro. Ever. Like, don't use roll bit. No, 1000x leverage. Come on. You think this for your benefit? Seriously? No. You'll get like evaporated like the second your limit order gets filled. I don't even know if they have limit orders there. So I had initially like, I don't know, almost 6K in this position and cut half. I think, where were we at? Cut half for like 350 in profit because I had some gnarly drawdown. I had to add more to the position. And now up like 500. What do they want to see? What I think is going to happen in terms of support falling out. As you can see here, you got the order book on Binance, and nothing crazy. I'm not really seeing any massive crazy orders standing out. I mean, I could filter this to only show that, but I like to see the stream. I just don't want to see something just like pop out of nowhere. Sometimes you can kind of start seeing the volume start to shift into one direction or the other and leading up to like bigger buy or sell orders. It looks like we're going to come down here. I should probably set a second TP. Yeah. Let me see. So we have that there. Could move it up a little bit if I want to be a little bit conservative, but this is a nasty 30-minute candle printing right now. Let's look at the higher time frames. Let's look at the 2 hour. Ooh. Let's look at the 4. That 4 is ugly as fuck. Whoever caught the news, man, good game. GG on that. Not gonna lie. So daily, we do have this volume gap right here down to support around like 232. So like when this, hopefully closes out, or I could just add one now on lower leverage. I really wouldn't want to add down here, to be honest with you. I would have rather have added up here. I really should scan around to see like what other setups there are. I'm just really trading this narrative right now, to be honest with you. just like shorting FTT. Obviously, that was a lot crazier of a situation, but I mean, the day on Earth is pretty much exactly the same. He's been, getting TUSD, USDT, which are not backed by shit, most of it, into Binance, and they're basically like wash trading BNB and BTC to keep the price up. So it's artificially propped up. It's the price it's at is at trading at crazy premium. This is not at all what the real price of BNB should be. I mean, just that we saw that basically Sam was artificially suppressing the price of Bitcoin under 20K, and they weren't even the largest exchange. I mean, I need to read into the documents more about what they've unearthed. I'm sure there'll be more to come. Maybe not. Maybe they're gonna seal the case because he signed. Who knows? But I knew this was coming a while ago. I actually mentioned it on Twitter. I have a friend who he knows and can't really talk about it. But to what degree it was gonna happen, I didn't know. I would have hoped it to be a lot worse than this, to be honest with you, because it's like giving him another day to live. So we said that inside day on ES. Oh, really? Oh, squiggly line did not play out. Looking a little toppy right here. But I wouldn't be hedging any bets right now on ES. It's in a tenuous spot right now. It's a make or break. Either side could go. Honestly, I covered all my longs, and I'm just gonna wait to see how this plays out. Plus, it's a short week. Not really trying to do a whole lot on a short week. Just trying to protect profits and look for any new setups, narratives, and reposition after the holidays. Maybe we can get a Santa Claus rally this year. That'd be nice. I did say that'd be hilarious. Rally to all-time highs by end of year. I think that'd be like the pain trade. I've said there for a while. I think that's the pain trade, pretty much. Everyone thinks we're going to keep going lower, but I'm not saying we won't, but we might go higher first and leave a lot of people behind. They get bowled up, chase, dump it, run their stops, and then we go see. I don't know about new lows. I don't. It's a kind of a stretch. I mean, new lows would be. That's a ways down there, bro. Not gonna lie. We'd have to have some pretty fucking crazy catalyst to see new lows. I know Wifey, Alpha, and like Capo, and all these people are just perma bears and keep saying that, but I mean, they got people bagged the whole rally. I mean, I'm pretty pissed. I missed the whole Nvidia run-up. I actually tried to short it and got crushed. Probably one of my worst trades of the year. Let's go back to this. Oh, we missed our TP by like fucking not even $1. Bastards. Let's check out what's going on with Link and everything. Look at this. This is beautiful right here. See, these are like all my favorite alts that I've been like accumulating. Exact same setup across the board. Fucking retard top. Dump it. consolidate for like a year, and then slowly start to, you see like the liquidity coming in. This is liquidity trend waves. It's something that I've built. It's like a representation of multiple things, you know, like volume, money flow, index, and then several other things to make it more of a either. I have two versions. One that's like a fast moving, one's a slow moving. So you could see in this like visual representation of liquidity instead of just like an RSI line or like a money flow index line. It's kind of bullshit. You know what I mean? It doesn't really stand out to you. Whereas this, you can just look at it and instantly you know liquidity is trending towards positive. Okay? Very distinctly. And finally flipped green, crosses zero line. I use this like every day. It's the basis of the price action of everything is like buying and selling. Liquidity. Where's the liquidity at? People buying or selling, that's it. That's all that fucking matters. So when I see that, start to position, especially when I hear people talking like doom post stuff, you know, they're going to get bagged, they're going to get sidelined, and they're going to cry about it the whole way up. But yeah, so like Sol, Rune, AVAX, Chainlink, beautiful setups. All of them ran, all top performers. I got bags of all of them. I've been buying render since like 55 fucking cents. Yeah. Love that. Not really fucking with the meme coins though. I'm watching them just for cyclicality purposes. Look at the market. Fucking A. FTT. Yo. Oh my god. That is hilarious. You gotta love it. Fucking wonder what Sam's doing right now watching this. It would be the sickest thing ever. Like, look at this chart on FTT. Like, if this thing fucking retraces, bro, this is gonna, like, be the sickest trade of the century. I mean, if you got in on the lows, $1.15, they run it back up to, like, $20. Jesus Christ. I don't think that'll happen. I do think they're going to relaunch FTX 2.0. Whether they're going to use this, I don't know. I just want my fucking money back. I know that. The market's not a towel. It's down 16. Jesus. It's a bloodbath. But when you see this kind of shit, the first thing you want to look for, where's the relative strength? Boom. And I'm not talking about like meme coins, shit coins, stuff like FTT. Rune. It was just green a second ago. When you have almost across the board, even Bitcoin's down 1.6. Okay. Rune's positive. I'm so fucking bullish on Rune, dude. It's not even funny. Look at this. It's fucking non-stop, bro. This little pullback right here is perfect to buy. This is perfect to buy right here. And not to mention, like, I don't even know how many, but I know of at least 3 exchanges in the past week who halted withdrawals deposits or just stopped trading altogether of Rune. You know, they want to be like, oh, the criminals are using it. Fucking criminals using all crypto, bro. What are you gonna... Who cares? They use US dollars too. Like, cry me a fucking river, dude. All I know is it's fucking sick what they're enabling with the cross-chain aggregation, and I need to buy more. To be honest with you, it's not something that I'm like exposed to enough, in my opinion. Link. See what Link's looking like. What here a fucking TP, bro? Super, super bullish on Link long term. crazy run, pull back, might pull back some more, maybe down to like 12-ish, and it could pull back significantly, like 12, 11, 10 maybe. I wouldn't think much more than that, to be honest with you. Liquidity, let's see, same beautiful liquidity trend, trending towards positive, boom. So now you see on the opposite side, these liquidity waves are getting increasingly bigger. First time it pops its head up, boom. Not the second time, but as long as the general theme over time is increasingly larger, it's a good sign. So it's already starting its ascent up. And if we look over at, if you want to look at total 3 minus USDC minus USDT, because that takes the stables out of it, or the ones that matter. So it's just straight alts here. So we did hit this breakout point, failed, had this like fucking spinning top and pulled back, but I think it's going to continue up, honestly. Like I said, yet again, really clearly defined liquidity move. I don't think it's going to pull back much more, to be honest with you. Maybe it'll probably pull back to like 300 bill, and then it'll push higher. And once it pushes higher and breaks out of this little range right here that it's been in for, I don't know, fucking 462 days. Yeah. It's gonna move. Like, there's a lot of room to run on alts. And that's where I'm positioned. You know, I'm not fucking positioning in Bitcoin, Ethereum. Like, what do I look like? A schmuck? What do I want? 2x? 3x? No, bro. No. This is the last great cycle, to be honest. This is the last great cycle. Regulations coming, institutional accumulation is going to be widespread. People ain't going to just be able to launch a meme coin and rug people and not get fucking in trouble anymore. And they're going to really try to like force KYC on everything. And all your transactions, they want to track all that shit back to a KYC'd wallet. So then they can attribute profits that you've made anywhere, so they could fucking tax you more. It's like kind of the name of the game for them. They don't like the fact that we're over here making money and they don't really know and can't really attribute which wallet to who. That they don't like that shit. So yeah, I think this is the last chance. And I've talked to other people, you know, Crypto Cousin, even, you know, like Blockchain Boy, Joshua, a couple of guys, we're all in kind of consensus about this. Like, you really need to capitalize on this fucking cycle, man. Get off the timeline or unfollow all the fucking people that are just sensationalistic bears and don't really have any thesis. They just keep beating the war drum, dude. It's like, it's getting old. Yeah, so I don't know if the alt run is done for right now. It's hard to tell when the market's so shaky from news like this. And if we fully transition into like memes, higher risk assets like NFTs, not really sure yet. I mean, if I do fuck with it, it's gonna be like really small capital. I'm not putting a couple grand into fucking, oh, we hit TP. That's pretty nice. Okay. That's not bad. So, I forgot what I was saying, but, nice. So we did come down and hit that perfectly. See if I want to re-enter. Yeah, the thing with like shorting BNB is you really have to know what the fuck you're doing. You got to get a good entry, and you better be using low leverage. Okay, I'm talking like 5x. Like that's what I initially wanted to do, but I was rushing, made a fucking mistake. Put on 50x, sure, why not? Fuck it, send it. Um, yeah. So if I was gonna short this 5, maybe 10, but I'd be careful with 10, because there's been a plenty of times where people thought this is it, this is where we're gonna get this fucking huge dump, and what do you know? Massive deposit onto Binance from Justin's son. They do their fucking rigmarole and green dildo up your ass. Liquidation. Yeah. So there's probably more downside, but we might go retest down here. That'd be fucking lit. But like I said, I need to look more into the specifics of like what exactly they found, what exactly besides that little synopsis of his plea deal. Let me see that again, because that shit ain't substantiated. Until I see the document myself, I gotta see that paperwork, bro. So here's some paperwork. I don't know what the fuck this is though. I should be able to look all this up on like, unless this is a sealed document, you should be able to look all this up on like Pacer or something. So here's the case number. I can actually type that in. CR 178 Garage. Government's motion on proposal plea proceedings. United States First Finance. Like, dude, how's this guy not get jail? I just don't understand. I guess because he's going to give him a couple $2 billion. That's how. And Sam was broke, so, you know, couldn't give him shit. What is his sentencing to? I don't need to keep up with that. So, document I'm seeing coming up is on forfeiture.gov. The fuck? Okay. I don't know if this is... Okay, yeah, I think this United States is recorded. Oh, this is like some fucking forfeiture document, but it was filed today. Filed to verify complaint for forfeiture against the following property. Some guy's like 200K worth of USDT was seized. Liang Jainer. Jin Yang. Okay, blah 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 blah. Bro, get to the good shit. It's just like a fucking document about like seized. Alright, this is, I don't think this is it yet, although it is a 1,500 page document. Someone's gotta have the plea deal document. Here we go. Okay. Oh, here we go. Yep, got it. Let me put it up on fucking screen somewhere. Fucking hate OBS, bro. I'm terrible with this shit. Window capture. Oh, that thing's fucking huge, bro. Yeah, sure. Let's put it right there. Alright, yeah, let's go through this motherfucker. Cases are under seal until plea hearings begins in court. Someone's fucking telling. We don't really know who he'd tell on. I mean, he could tell on the people behind, like Justin's son, people behind USDT. So yeah. CV, like, definitely tell. I don't even think they have that in the seal, as if it's if you got a downward departure or not. That's in most cases like means that you were complicit in cooperating. So money laundering, blah blah blah. Agrees to appropriate, sentences a fine of 1.8 billion criminal fine, which reflects 20% discount. Give him a discount. What does that even mean? Bro, they didn't give me no fucking discount in my fucking plea deal. Binance agrees to pay the criminal fine no later than 15 months. Since entry of order of forfeiture requiring Binance to pay money judgment representing private blah blah blah. 1.6 in fees. Sum of money reflecting proceeds from Binance obtained from unlicensed NTB offense. They shall not either represent to speak for Binance. Okay, so we can't speak for Binance, like I said. Attachment A, statement of facts. The company is authorized, allowing Deputy General Counsel, Binance compliance commitments, describes the selection process, duration, and scope of the independent compliant. I ain't got a whole lot of faith in that. Who the fuck is the independent compliance officer? Disclosure certification described above. Compliance certificate described above. Alright. Where's the attached documents? Where's the fucking attached documents, bro? Come on, bro. So yeah, pretty much exactly what I was stating earlier. Doesn't mean more won't come from this. I honestly think that he's cooperating, just like I think Sam is too. Hello? Hey, babe. Would
you like a coffee from Starbucks?
Yeah, I love coffee.
What are you feeling? I know it's like a little chilly out. It's got less sugar in it. I'm like, oh, I can feel a Starbucks coffee. Because I really like coconut creamer, and that sweet and whatever is not good.
Where'd you get that Charlie cold foam cold brew thing at? That was gas.
You want Dunkin'?
Oh, that's a Dunkin'? Never mind. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. It's fine.
No, I mean, you get more coffee and it's cheaper.
Okay. Yeah, let's get one of those. I'm streaming right now. I'm gonna see how this is actually like showing up. I haven't even checked it. Oh, the trade went good though. No, I made money. It was good. Yeah. But yeah, I'll see you coming home after that. All right, I'll see you when you get home. All right, love you too. Bye. Bye. All right, yeah, I'm about to hop off this shit. Don't really know if I'm gonna put in another short. I can check right now and see if it looks like something that I want to do. Da, da, da. Actually, I want to fucking buy some Rune and I want to buy some Link. And on BingX, they do not let you withdraw Rune anymore. Oh shit, we busting down right now. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Damn. Should let that bitch run. The thing would have minted. But I'm not comfortable with 50x anything. I really need to pull up high block capital and see like liquidation levels and stuff. That's I don't know if y'all are familiar with high block capital. It's a good resource. Download a copy of that. Oh, Black Friday sale. Oh yeah, also Black Friday sale coming up. About to release a bunch of shit for Apollo. Liquidity waves, that's coming out. I'm gonna push a new update for Apollo. Market pulse, that's gonna get an update, and then I got a couple other things, you know, up my sleeve. And I can't really show y'all this yet, but it's coming. We're cooking this shit up, and it's finally like into production. For the Apollo Algo bot, we are now gonna have like a platform dashboard. So instead of having like the independent standalone MT4, MT5 copier program, which you like download and all that shit, there's just a dashboard. You know, sign up, log in, connect your account. You can decide what value pairs you don't want me to trade, whatever. Then like it won't execute on your account. If I take a trade in, I don't know, NQ, and you've disallowed that, the trade won't execute on yours. But if it is allowed and through your settings, like you're like